How to fix Snapchat recap not showing up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. To fix this issue, start off by launching your Snapchat app. Now you can find your Snap recap in the memories of your Snapchat. However, the only criteria for this is you must be the user of Snapchat for at least 1 year. If you are new to Snapchat, you will not be getting Snap Recap for the year. However, if that is not the case, start up with this next process. Launch your phone settings, and in the phone settings, scroll down and navigate to apps. Check out all apps. Now in here you can search for Snapchat application. Start off by force stopping it to force restart your application. Then head to storage and cache option. Here we'll be clearing up the cache to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. Following up with the next step, you can head back from here. Then check out your Play Store. If you are an iOS user, open up your App Store. Tap on the search icon to search for Snapchat app. Now in here, make sure to update your application if available. Ensure your application is at the latest version so that it can provide you with the latest feature as well. After this, you can head over and open up your Snapchat to check if the Snap Recap is available. This is all for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.